She enjoyed the entire process, from the careful selection of ingredients to the satisfying sizzle in the pan. Lily's Lunchbox, a young girl's journey to YouTube success through healthy meal prepping. In a cozy suburban home, amidst the familiar aromas of home-cooked meals, lived Lily, a bright and inquisitive young girl with an innate curiosity for the culinary arts. Around the age of 12, Lily found herself increasingly drawn to the heart of her home, the kitchen. She wasn't just interested in the finished dishes, she enjoyed the entire process, from the careful selection of ingredients to the satisfying sizzle in the pan. 1. More than just following recipes, Lily discovered a particular interest in making healthy food that tasted genuinely good, a pursuit fueled by her desire for sustained energy and sharp focus throughout her school day. She noticed, perhaps more acutely than the adults around her, the connection between what she ate and how she felt, a realization that would soon blossom into a bigger idea. Lily observed the daily whirlwind of her family's life and the constant struggle to maintain a balanced and nutritious diet amidst packed schedules. Weeknights often became a blur of hurried decisions, frequently leading to the convenience of takeout or quick, less wholesome meals. Lily witnessed the time her parents spent on frantic meal preparations after long work days, or the ease with which they opted for readily available, but often less nutritious options. She couldn't help but wonder if there was a more organized and efficient way to ensure her family, and others like them, could enjoy healthy and delicious food without the daily stress of last-minute decisions. 2. The challenge of consistently eating well, especially when time was scarce, became a silent puzzle she wanted to solve. Like many young people, Lily was well-versed in the vast universe of YouTube. She used it for everything from learning new dance moves to understanding complex science concepts. One afternoon, while searching for simple recipe ideas, she stumbled upon the vibrant world of food channels. She was instantly captivated by the creators who shared their culinary skills with such enthusiasm, building communities around their shared love for food. Among the myriad of cooking content, Lily discovered a particularly fascinating niche: meal prepping. She watched in awe as creators meticulously planned and prepared meals in advance, neatly arranging them in containers, promising a week of healthy, ready-to-eat food. This organized approach resonated deeply with Lily's desire for a more streamlined solution to her family's dinnertime dilemmas. The story continues next week on our next episode of Lily's Lunchbox.